Today we're going to see some very interesting science concepts, and do you want to know what they are? Simple. All that you need is a few of these glasses, different shaped glasses, because as I keep telling, science is all about observing. Allow the children to observe what is happening. Maybe before you start doing it, ask, I'm going to do this. What do you think is going to happen? And let them come up with various ideas that they have, and then do the experiment and ask them to finally say, okay, this is what happened, and I think this happened because of these reasons. Because there is always a reason. Science is always with an explanation. So make sure that you give them this kind of an explanation, give them this kind of an experience, and let them learn, and you will see that they will never forget it for life. So take a tennis ball, or whatever you have. I have a few of these balls here which are of different shapes, sizes. So tell them, what, I'm going to take a glass, I'm going to put a ball inside, maybe the small one, and what do you think is going to happen if I blow into it? So the children will say, okay, you have put the ball inside this. If I blow into this, let me think what will happen. Maybe the ball will just go round and round inside. Could be a possibility. Somebody may say, why do you want to blow just like that? If I blow it with a straw, you know what will happen? It will be very particularly in an angle, and I can take the ball wherever I want. Perfect. If somebody may say, no, I just blow it directly, I think the ball may just bounce. Wow, let's see what happens. Okay, so keep the glass here and make sure that you allow the child to see what happens. So these are things which they have already told you, saying that this could happen. This is their way of perceiving it. So now you keep the ball here, and now you blow into the glass. Okay, you see that the ball is rising. Let me do it once again for you to see it in the camera. Blow slowly, blow fast, blow medium. Let them observe all these positions. Wow, it bounced out here. Ask them, is there a difference? Now it bounced out. If I'm going to take a different glass, this seemed to be a thin and a long one. This seems to be a short and a broader one. Do you think there's going to be a difference? So let me try and see the same size ball I have got here, and let me put it here, and allow the children of course to have this hypothesis, and then say, okay, now let's see what's happening if I'm going to blow it. So this is the glass and this is the ball. Wow, it just came out. So was there a difference between this glass and this glass? And is there a difference in the size of the ball? Just in case you want to do it with a different size ball, let's try and see what happens if it is going to go into this particular glass, and then you blow it. Let's see. Remember, the earlier one was a small one, this is a bigger one. You can see that it comes up. Wow, it did come out. What about the other glass? Is it going to come out faster, or is it going to take some time to come out? It just came out. Do you think that the height of the glasses mattered? Allow the children to experiment it with various things. Remember, you can try it out with certain rubber balls. You have the crazy ball, you have the tennis ball. Some of them might come out, some of them might not come out. Let them give a reason as to why it happens. So science is all about doing, observing, making a note of it, and finally inferring. Science is absolutely interesting if you make it hands-on for the children. And as I mentioned, you have this, maybe you could take the smaller one and take with the straw and say, if I blow it with the straw, does the ball come out at all, or does it take more time to come out or less time to come out, because it's concentrated air, as you rightly said, because you're just focusing. Or maybe you just blow it, does it go round and round? Observe that. So air is amazing. It's a concept that goes across grades, right from the KG onwards. And this is where we are talking a lot about air pressure, we are talking about low pressure, high pressure, etc. in the higher grades. So try these out and make sure that you mark it in the comment section. Thank you.